There's something about modulators and via controls that you have to know. The modulators refer to only the internal modulators, the LFOs, and the envelopes. Now, on the other hand, the via controllers are always external controllers. The velocity controller is hardwired, but the other external controllers can be patched in via the MIDI controller assignment section up above. But what happens if you just wanted to use one of the external controllers as your modulator? For instance, what if I wanted to use my velocity to change the asymmetry of this waveform? Here's how you do it. You go down to the bottom of the modulator list and select Max. This puts the maximum value at the modulator's input. And now I can select velocity to determine how much of that maximum value actually gets there. Right now it's set at 0, but if I bring up the via control, the velocity determines just how much of that maximum value is applied to asymmetry in this case. It's important to remember that the via controls act as an override to the modulators. So if the modulator's at max and the via control is at 50%, at the highest velocities, I will get 50% of that maximum value. Any of my via controllers, whether it be velocity or anything I've patched in to control A through D, will work the same way. All of the modulator inputs have a maximum setting. And by setting the modulator inputs at max, I can turn any of my external controllers into modulators. Ultrabeat does things differently. And that forces me to think differently too. And I really dig that.